I think the dominant image of the Yatra for me is 75-year-old Mr. Siddharamaiah trying to keep pace with you running. And that video has gone absolutely viral. And the other thing that has gone viral out of the Yatra is you flanked by Mr. Siddharamaiah and DK on the top of the water reservoir. And
I didn't realize that Siddharamaiah ji was wearing a dhoti. Okay, I didn't. But by the time I realized, I started to panic. And I had told the security people, please just make sure that nothing happens. But he just went up straight without any problem.
So the people have understood in Karnataka people, Siddharamaiah is also at this age is
Fit. You know, there was that incident where the flagpole hit the electric wire and 5 people got electrocuted. I saw with my own eyes everybody running away from the Bijli and DK Shiv Kumar running towards the Bijli to save the guy.
I know that I can't touch the body. When the body touch, it becomes this one. Still power was there. So I knew that I just pull the shirt out. Then they'll know to put this one in the cloth.
Yeah.
Power in the cloth. Then immediately he came out.
But one incident that you miss are the push-ups that Mr. DK Shiv Kumar did.
Not only DK, Venu also.
No, only push-up is done by RG.
The second day, I think when it rained, no? Like all of us, you went onto the stage in Mysore, if you remember.
Yeah.
And we and some of the leaders, we went and we just got a big hoarding and we were under it. And we thought that you'll just finish and you'll go away.
But your speech continued and continued. People came to know this Yatra will never stop.
What about the day when the whole camp got finished with the water?
So that day,
That day you were looking worried.
full night, sir. We didn't sleep. Entire our team, day and night. Surya.
ट्रैक्स jelly, बालू सारा सुबह.
आपने जो कोविड में जो फैमिलीज के साथ आप वो वीडियो देख सकते हैं सर, सारे लोग रो रहे थे. आपने उनके बात सुने, वो इतना इमोशनल है, मीन्स एक्सट्रीम सारे लोगों के अंदर वो फील हुआ है.
We make that road. We are given colored as a Bharat Jodo
Nice,
Yatra.
very sweet gesture.
And with having lunch with upper caste and Dalits, that is the most a very precious day for two communities. They are joined together. Now they are very happy.
How many kilos did you lose?
The other day I was increased by 1 kg.
One person who has succeeded is Priyank. 3-4 kilos at least.
lost 3 kg.
3 kg?
Yes.
But you punished me today at the
Yeah, that too. They fed the whole ice cream today. He walked non-stop.
Walking non-stop. He is also the principal of the Yatra.
Non-stop.
Congress Reserve Police Force.
You should see that crowd doesn't go into the Rahulji's ring. So no other go. In the morning, Siddharamaiah and DK used to come a little late. I used to walk with you for 10 minutes. After they come, I had to go back and control the crowd.
हमारे पिताजी, हमारे माताजी, हमारे घर वाले सभी लोग हमेशा मुझे बोलते थे कि सुबह 5 बजे उठना, वॉकिंग करना, अच्छा हेल्थ सेहत अच्छा रख लेना चाहिए. मैं कोशिश करता था सर, होता नहीं था. अब यात्रा में मैं 6 बजे बोले तो 5 बजे उठ के 6 बजे आया हूँ.
जब सर के साथ चलना हुआ तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि नामुमकिन है, लेकिन जैसे आप हमेशा बोलते हुए कुछ पॉजिटिव डिवाइन पावर जो हमको पुश करती है, दूसरे दिन तीसरे दिन मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं भी आपके साथ भाग रही हूँ. कुछ बड़ी शक्ति जो है सर इस पदयात्रा में हमको आगे लेके जा रही है.
No, I'm not. I'm walking my heels. There, everybody is saying I'm walking my toes. I'm walking my heels.
You're resting. No, sir.
कहाँ से ये कहानी निकाल दी है?
मैंने नहीं टॉपिक निकाला, सर ने निकाला, मैंने टॉपिक निकाला नहीं.
When I was 35, 40, I used to run almost 10 kilometers every day of my life, except Saturday and Sunday. The way to deal with these problems is to do it consistently, little bit, small amount. Over time, it will give you huge return.
The mind you've made up, the determination that you're coming with, what is pushing you?
A lot of people who you meet when you're meeting with them and you're talking to them, they are giving you energy and support.
the media was always against us. But in this Bharat Jodo Yatra, whatever may be their affiliations, their this one, it had become inevitable for them to cover up the entire this one. It was live, people watching. It has gone into every household in Karnataka.
See, BJP party is a factory of manufacturing lies.
Exactly.
If the people understood what Narendra Modi is, what BJP is, what RSS is, definitely people will be changed.
Congress history is country's history. Without Congress, country can't be united. I can't forget the entire team, including in the camp. Their contribution, if I forget, it is impossible.
What is his biggest strength?
From the day one, he has been working on the social fabric of the backward class theory.
And as a person, what is his biggest strength?
As a person, he protects his followers.
He's a good organizer. His personal strength is tirelessly he works.
Biggest achievement of this Bharat Jodo, believing in themselves कि yes we can do it. और मेरे लिए तो my leader was walking in Karnataka, so मेरे को तो चलना ही था.
The fact of the matter is that you all walk with me, and this would not have been possible without all of you. All of you have your own strengths. All of you are extremely dedicated and working in the interest of the Congress Party. And I think it was a very successful yatra, and thank you all for that.